Breaking news, everybody. Not all hair type and textures are the same. I didn't think I had to tell everybody that, but apparently I do. So let's talk about it. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl. So somebody commented on a video recently where I was using these two products right here to do a wash and go, and they said, no offense, your hair's already curly, and that ain't gonna work on type 4C hair. And guess what? They might be right, but that right there, we're gonna split that up into two parts. First off, if your hair is not naturally curly, there is no product that is going to make it curl. I'm gonna say that again. If your hair is not naturally curly, there is no product that is going to make it curly. Gels and mousses and things like that and curl creams, they're there to enhance the curl that is already in your head. They are not there to make curls magically appear, poof, out of thin air. It's just not possible. Second part of that is, you know what? You're right. It might not work on type 4C hair, but guess what? Not everybody has the same hair texture. Not everybody has the same hair type. Not everybody has the same curl pattern. Actually, you don't even have the same curl pattern all throughout your head. And if you've been a subscriber of mine, you know that I use different techniques on different parts of my hair. Why? Because I have different curl patterns on different parts of my head. So I say all that to say, what works for me may not necessarily work for the next person. My job here is to give you guys recommendations so you can see how it works on my hair type and texture. And then if you want to try it out and give it a try, great. Guess what? Sometimes it's going to work, but guess what, y'all? Sometimes it's not. And that's okay. And by the way, if you have not seen that video on my two products that I use to get a pop and wash and go, you guys can check it out right here. And also, I'm a wash and go girl. Even when my hair was longer, I mainly did wash and goes. I wasn't the type of natural that, did lots of experimentation with her hair with, twist outs and braid outs and bantu knots and things like that. I just didn't, just because I'm a lazy natural. I don't have that kind of time. I want to do my hair one time and have it last for a few days. If you're still struggling with your wash and go, and this is for my type C4, girlies out there too. You can do a wash and go. You just have to find A, the right product, and B, the right technique. So if you're still struggling with your wash and go, make sure you check out my video right here with 5 tips to help you get your wash and go popping. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also, comment down below and let me know what's your biggest struggle as someone who has natural hair. And don't forget to turn on your notifications, because guess what? You don't want to miss any videos. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.